Nation Bus YouTube channel watchers. Good afternoon from sunny St. Augustine, Florida, where I want to introduce today a very unique vehicle. This is the Dodge Promaster. It is a Ram 1500, and this vehicle is upfitted by Revability, and this is a multi-use type vehicle. As you can see, it's white in color. And on the rear, in the very large barn-style door openings, there is a ramp. It's an easy to unfold and fold back up. Even though it's very durable, it is very light and very easy to do. I did it with one arm. This can be set up for either a wheelchair or a gurney. Right now it has 5 seats back here. They're vinyl seats, and they're on a track system. They can be relocated or removed. And there's a driver and a co-pilot. So you have the ability to do a couple of wheelchairs and passengers. There's a combination that you can come up with. Stryker makes a gurney system that you could also make this a multi-use, so you could transport gurney, wheelchair, and ambulatory passengers. Gray interior. I'm standing up in here. I'm leaned over just a little bit. I'm not the tallest guy in the world, but I'm not too uncomfortable standing here. This is a 2018. This is the view looking out the back. So this is something that has a little bit of everything. Body seems to be in decent shape. And if this has a use for something that you could use for, please give us a call or email, like us and subscribe, or check our website out at nationsbus.com for other equipment. Thank you very much.